Students, so today we will discuss regarding the main topic and basic concept, that is symbol. So coming to the definition of the symbol, a symbol represents short form of an element. That means instead of writing the full name of an element, we will write in the form of short form. For example, oxygen is there. So instead of writing again and again the same full name of this element, we will use the short form, that is oxygen symbol is O. So a symbol represents the short form of an element. Next, the scientist who suggested a method of representing elements using English letters is J.J. Berzelius. So he is a scientist and he mentioned that we can use the symbols. Okay, we can use the symbols in the form of English letters. So we have to use English letters for representing the elements. This statement is given by the scientist J.J. Berzelius. Coming to the significances of a symbol, we are having two significances, that is qualitative meaning as well as quantitative meaning. So quality means nature and quantity means number. Okay, so qualitative means nature and quantitative means number. So what's the information given qualitatively? So qualitatively means a symbol represents a specific element. That means one symbol for one specific element. We can't see one symbol for so many elements. Okay, so one symbol, one specific element. And a symbol represents one atom of an element. Even by seeing its symbol also we can easily say, for example, if you take oxygen, symbol is O. How many symbols or how many O are there? One. So it represents one atom of oxygen. For example, if it is O2, it indicates two atoms of oxygens. Okay, so one O means one oxygen atom, two O means two atoms of oxygen. Symbol specifies one specific element and symbol represents one atom of an element. Next, coming to quantitative meaning. Quantitative means number. So it represents one atom of an element. So in a given element, how many number of atoms are there? That one, it is explained by quantitatively. Okay. Next, the number of parts by weight, nothing but atomic weight of an element. So based upon the number of atoms only, its weight will depend, right? For example, if only one N, that means one nitrogen atom is there, then its weight will be 14. If it is 2, N2, then its weight will be 28. That means based upon the number of atoms, the parts of weight will depend. Next, coming to guidelines to write the symbols. Even for writing the symbols also, we have to follow some rules. That is, first point, for some of the elements, the first letter of its English name is used as a symbol in short form. So in the English name, that means whenever we will write the element in English words, then whatever the first letter is there, that is its symbol. That too, we have to use only capital letters. Okay, for example, if you take hydrogen, the first letter, nothing but hydrogen is its symbol. Next, if you consider carbon, the first letter is C and we wrote in the carbon, that means symbol C in the capital letters. Here hydrogen is a capital letter, here C is the capital letter. And even if you take another example, nitrogen, symbol N, oxygen, symbol O, all first letters you can see. Fluorine, first letter is F, so F is its symbol. Sulfur, first letter S, so its symbol is S. So the elements, whenever we will write in the English letters, whatever the first letter will be there, that is its symbol for some elements. Next, another condition, when the names of two elements starts with same letter, then the second letter is added to the first letter. So that means, for example, if you consider calcium is there, let it be if you consider carbon also. So carbon, its symbol is C. And if you take calcium, both are starting with the same letters. Here also C and here also C. So the second letter of the symbol has to add to the first letter. Here what is the first letter? C. Second letter A is added to the first letter, that is C. Okay, so when the names of the two elements starts with the same letter, here if you consider same letter, that is C. In carbon, calcium also C. Then the second letter of the symbol is added to the first letter. Second letter is added to the first letter. And when two letters are used, first letter should be in capital and the second letter should be always small. Here even if you consider here calcium, the first letter is capital letter and the second letter is small letter. And even if you consider chlorine, so here also it is having two letters in its symbol. So C is the capital letter and L is the small letter. So compulsory in always the first letter should be a capital letter and the second letter should be a small letter. Next, even we are having some elements with two letters as its symbols, as we already said. Calcium symbol Ca, chlorine symbol Cl, beryllium Be, palladium Pd. Even for beryllium also, if you consider boron, its symbol is B. And here also the starting letter is B, and even in the beryllium also the starting letter is B. So the second letter is added to the first letter. So these are the guidelines for writing the elements.